Driving from Cannon Beach down to Depoe Bay today. I got to take a little bit of a detour because there's a road closure from a landslide on 101. So, I don't know, not that big of a deal. I don't really have anywhere I need to be in any hurry. Today's interesting because it's the exactly 1 year anniversary from when I moved out of my house and moved into my RV full time. So, that's kind of cool. I wasn't in a rush to get anywhere, and I'm not, but because of that detour, oh god, this is some slow going. It's a pretty tight and windy road. I mean, even without a 35-foot trailer, I think the recommended speed on a lot of these corners is like 25 to 35 miles an hour. Made it back to 101, which I think means we're out of the woods, literally. That was it was a little stressful. Honestly, I could have done without that, but whatever.
Continue on Oregon 53 south for 1.5 miles.
This place is packed for a Monday. Staying at an RV park called Sea and Sand. It's really cool because it's right on the beach. I'm just taking Edie for a walk. Myles was too tired, didn't feel like getting off the couch, so I'm not gonna drag him. Yeah, give a couple shots up here. I couldn't get a spot right on the water, but honestly, it's not terrible because at least that way I don't have to fight the wind. So like I said, it's pretty much right on the beach. I mean, there's 3 like terraces. This is the top one, which is really cool. They just didn't have any spots available, which I'm not surprised about. Again, it's kind of windy on this side. At least the trees where I'm at block the wind. I'll show you the spot I'm in. It's actually really nice as well. So, all right, so behind me is there's 3 terraces, and then you're getting caught up in the leash here. Down this way is a whole other section. And then here we are. Go. Edie, hey, in what world is this acceptable? Yeah, exactly. I accidentally hit Myles' head on the truck when I was putting him in, and you can see his brain now. Edie, get out of the way. Move. You're not helping. Move, 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 look. You okay, buddy? You look sad. I feel bad.
About to lose